In today's video, we are going to show you how to add SeatGeek tickets to Apple Wallet so you can access them quickly on your iPhone at the venue. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is make sure you are using the latest version of the SeatGeek app and go to your app store and make sure to open the app itself. Now, log in using your credentials and then you want to make sure to select the event that you wanted to attend to. For example, I am interested in Los Angeles Lakers at New York Knicks. I'm going to click on it. Here, just select the tickets that you wanted to purchase. For example, I'm choosing 2 for my partner. And then you have all these amazing listings that you can choose. You can sort by deal, by price, by perks. It's up to you. But for now, we're going to choose the section 103, which is around $800 for 2 person. Okay? Now all I have to do is confirm all the details here. You want to make sure the information is correct. Once you're happy, click the continue button. And of course, you need to understand that you have understood the terms and conditions. Click the continue button. All right? What will happen is you will be forwarded to the checkout process. And as you can see, now if you're eligible, you can pay it in installments using the Affirm. But in our case, what we need to do is buy with Apple Pay. All right? As you can see, all I have to do is super simple. Click the buy with Apple Pay here. Okay, and then follow the on-screen instructions. Now, another thing that you can do is take a screenshot of your confirmed purchase. Okay, because we can use that later if we go back again to our profile. I need you to scroll down to the bottom parts of your screen and click the My Tickets. Of course, from here, all I have to do is add the screenshot of your recently purchased ticket, which can be found via PDF tickets from your computer or screenshot tickets. All I have to do is super simple, upload the screenshot to your ticket section. It's super simple. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to add SeatGeek tickets to Apple Wallet. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.